quality brunch, you've got to have a pasta. And the pasta is a Bloody Mary. You could buy the brand, but making real Bloody Mary is so easy. Why would you? They're so good. So the first one starting with the pasta. There's actually celery in this 3 ways. There's chopped celery, which I'm going to puree. There's flavor. So I'm using 2 28-ounce cans of whole tomatoes packed in juice. And the first thing that I want to do is drain these. Now I'm going to work on these one at a time. And you're going to want these to drain over a measuring cup because we want to collect all of that beautiful tomato juice. Remember, this is packed with tomato flavor. So now this is the fun and squishy part. The inside is also going to drain down into the measuring cup. As I work with these, I'm going to move them over to a rimmed baking sheet that I've lined with foil. All right, these last little solids from this first pan. Now I just want to press through any of that pulp that's in there. The paring knife measurement. So we're going to cook all this together and just mix in that tomato paste. Once it's mixed in, I'm going to turn the heat down to low, put a lid on it. We're going to let this cook until the shallots are soft. That's going to take between 7 to 10 minutes. All right, let's take a look at what's going on in our saucepan. Oh, it smells amazing.